Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix Samsung washing machine 3E error code. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be getting the 3E error code here on your Samsung washing machine. Well, there are going to be a few things that you need to check and you need to do here to solve this issue. So first thing that you may want to do here is you may want to check your power source. Now the 3E error is often triggered when the washing machine senses inconsistent or incorrect voltage here. So first thing that you want to look at is, in this case, how your washing machine is plugged in. Now, in this case, you may be, or for example, you're using like an extension cord here, so try removing it and basically plugging your washing machine directly into the plug. Now, sometimes the extension cord might not be able to handle the actual load or the needed electricity, so you may need to get one that actually suits your needs here. But to be speaking, see if you can actually connect it directly to the plug or your wall outlet here and see if that actually helps. And also make sure your washing machine is plugged into a dedicated power outlet, so meaning it's not sharing an outlet with another big appliance. Like for example, do not plug your washing machine here next to a fridge that uses a lot of electricity as well. But yeah. And also, if you are in another country, so this one is a less common thing that you could consider, but it's something really important. Now, if you bought your washing machine from in another country or from another country and bought it in your home, the voltage system might be different. Like for example, a washer designed for a 220 volt might have issues running in a place that uses 110 volts, so or vice versa. In that case, you might need a proper voltage converter or transformer before you can actually use your washer or washing machine here. And if none of this actually work and you're sure you have or you're getting the proper voltage here, well, you could do a hard reset. Now, sometimes the 3E or 3E code here is just a glitch, and like with a frozen phone or computer, a quick reboot can actually help. So you just need to turn off your washer completely, unplug it from the wall, or switch off the circuit breaker if connected to it, and wait for at least 1 full minute, and then plug it back in and turn it on again and see if that actually helps. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.